What is going on, guys? I'm Tech Series. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to get the freeze frame pop-up filter on your TikTok. Let's get on into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is you're gonna go to your TikTok, and after you're on TikTok, go to the search bar, and all you're gonna do is just go there and search up freeze frame pop-up, and after that you're gonna swipe right until you find the video, and just swipe up until you find like people who use the filter. Like let me choose her. I just this one. Pause it, and you're gonna go and click the first frame pop-up filter, and you can see there's a lot of people making it, like 400,000 people. And if you click the middle, the red icon, the record, you'll start recording, and the music will play too. And this is pretty much what I want to show you for today. And if this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.